trying something new, haven't we, Mike?
We have. We've had a little gadget to play with this week, sent to us from Olivia Wilson. Thank you very much for sending it to us.
Thank you. Yeah, it's brilliant.
And have you got your gadget there? It's
I've got it here.
Dermaroller.
Yeah. So I've got it here.
This is essentially a mini rolling pin, and it has 540 0.5 millimeter medical grade titanium needles in it, which causes micro wounds in the skin, and that invokes the skin to repair with collagen and elastin, and it strengthens the skin, it helps fine lines and pigmentation, and brings a glow back to the skin. And that's the theory. So it's something you've been able to go to have in salons, but now you can start getting these to use yourself at home. So with these, so you sterilize it first with the spray, and you have clean skin at night.
So I've got that. So that's really easy, isn't it? It's like literally, sterilized, sanitized, good.
You would let it dry off, and then when you use it, Mark and I are going to do it exactly now because we're both wearing makeup. But you would go horizontally, and vertically, and diagonally across the skin, and then cover all areas. You do your cheeks, your nose, across the top of your mouth. You can go down to the décolletage.
Yes.
It's good for men, for beards, if you want to encourage beard growth.
Yeah, I was reading about that. That is good for. So if I wanted a thicker beard.
Yeah, if you have like a weak patch, perhaps it could help.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes you get a bit of a patch which isn't quite as strong, or hairline. You can get them for your hairline. You can get body ones and hairline.
I'll be all over this. I tell you, I'll be.
I mean, it recommends to use it 2 or 3 times a week, but I used it on Saturday, and I think this is why people like them, because your skin really does feel it the next few days. And then you put some lovely hydrating serums or moisturizers into your skin, and it helps the penetrations faster and deeper. But I would personally, I'm going to use it once a week for a while and just gradually build up. And of course, if you've got any skin sensitivity or acne or eczema, you shouldn't use it. You know, if your skin's healthy, you're okay to use it.
It does. It doesn't. It's not sore. That's the one thing I was a little bit scared of.
Yeah.
These microneedles. There's none of that. There's nothing like that. And then, as you say, as long as you hydrate, so it's basically you cleanse your skin, you sanitize this, you let it dry, and then you roll in all these different directions.
Yes.
Then you're putting on different serums. So I've got serums are kind of. So I've been using this one because I just think it's really gentle. So that's the Sand and Sky Tasmanian spring water serum, because I thought that was
lovely. Very refreshing one, that feels like.
The other thing, we've had a new arrival in the house. It's
listen, everybody, drum roll again.
Me and Robert went and clubbed together all our vouchers for Christmas, and we purchased this. I know.
De la Mer, the golden gold.
The La Mer, so this arrived this week, which we're like, so I'm so excited about
so
this.
This is perfect.
That's what I was thinking. It's almost like buy one, get one free now, isn't it? Because it's getting right in the skin, right in there.
Good point, right in the skin.
So I'm loving it. But yeah, I have to say, I was nervous, and people had gone and mentioned microneedling to me before, and I was like, I don't know that the thought, and especially doing it at home. But I felt really sad because you've got the sanitizer as well. I've heard of some nightmare stories of people doing it, and they've not cleaned it properly. They kept it at the bottom of the makeup bag and then started wounding. No. I know. I won't name names, but yeah, she's a good mate of mine.
Keep it in a secure case so that you don't damage the needles. And obviously you don't drag it across the skin, you lift it and place it carefully, and you know, treat your skin very carefully with it. Definitely.
Very exciting stuff.
Yes.
So when you start seeing me over the next few weeks, guys, you'll be like, oh my God, he's glowing, I tell you.